Tired of the same old brushes? Let me show you these 4 unconventional tools that might just change your miniature painting game. Number 1, the makeup brush. Perfect for dry brushing large areas with smooth, even coverage. Plus, they're everywhere and cheap. Still hanging out in the makeup department for number 2, the beauty blender. Want smooth blended transitions? A beauty blender can help with soft gradient stippling effects. At number 3, we have the toothpick. Super tiny details, toothpicks are precision kings for highlights, scratches, and even glue control. And finally, number 4, the silly putty. Masking complicated patterns, silly putty sticks just enough without ruining your paint. And there you have it, 4 tools to help level up your paint game. If you have anything else you'd like to add, put it down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.